Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll begin further the construct on this picture. So what we have here is a DJI Inspire 3 8K log footage. This image has been graded. This is a final grade, but I want to put you guys through how I was able to achieve this grade. So it's more like we are doing a deconstruct on how I came about this grade. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. So this is a log footage. After we have converted this image to Rec 709, we're able to achieve this because it is shot in a very cold environment. So we are expected to have that cold looking footage, right? But the look I was going for, I want to create a bit of split toning. I want to separate the colors. So for me to do that, I needed to do color balance, right? So after doing my color balance, I was able to achieve this. So if you can rightly observe, from the Rec 709 to this, you can see we have made a lot of progress, right? So from there, we moved to this. So what I did here was to separate the mountain from the city. If you rightly observe, so I made use of my my window to create separation. So I did a bit of masking around here just to create that separation, and after that I desaturated the mountain to achieve that look and feel. For me to do that, I worked with some of these tools here, hue saturation, hue and saturation, and all, just to achieve that look and feel for me. sorry about that. Just to achieve that look and feel for me, right? So after doing that, I went right into this. So I did I made use of the outside node, which gave us this. So if you rightly observe, we have been able to create a bit of separation from the mountain and the city with the use of colors, right? So we went further for this node. So what I did in this node was to create more depth, in the sense that I reduced the the brightness of the mountain. So I wanted to give these spots, to call attention to these spots. So I went further to work on that here. If you rightly observe, there was much of attention around this place, and I equally want to mimic the golden hour kind of look and feel effect. So we made use of our window to achieve that here as well. So if you observe, like the sun is coming from this side, giving us that golden hour look and feel. And if you see, we are able to have that color harmony, right? So from there, I popped the color a bit using our saturation just to pop it a bit, right? So from there, I made use of my noise reduction. That was how I came about the grade. So let me put it on full screen, play it back for you guys to see what we have here. Can you see? Isn't this beautiful? So that's just it. So subsequently, I'll be bringing more video tutorials to you guys. I promise to do a full breakdown whereby we are going to grade together. I'm working on that, and we're going to achieve all of that together. But in the meantime, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave your comments below, and share with your friends too as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.